Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be pulling the motor out of a 98 Forester. So you get your coolant to drain, pull the battery out. You're gonna do your radiator with these bolt here, a bolt here. Then you gotta pull the reserve off. With this one being automatic, I'm gonna have to pull the automatic cooler lines off. So there's one here and one down low. I'm gonna have to pull the radiator hoses off and unplug it down low as well. Now that the radiator is all taken out, I got the battery taken out, the whole air box off. Undo the alternator plugs, undo the AC plug, move that cord wire harness out of the way, undo the fuel lines, throttle cable off, and cruise control cable off. Come here and unbolt it, undo it, and unwrap those thingamabobbers. Then I'm going to take off the brake booster line. Also going to just unplug the AC from the two bolts because this one is not charged. You got your line, your air line going up to your cruise control module. You got the one coming over here to this sensor you're going to pull off as well. Unhook the ground right here. Also undo the main plugs for your wiring harness over here. Okay, so also pull off your power steering hoses. Flop them to the side. I got it draining into there. So pull that starter off and do the bell housing bolts. You gotta undo the two coolant lines. Once you remove all that stuff, you're gonna crawl underneath and you're gonna drop the headers down and you're gonna do the two motor mounts. And then if you couldn't get any of the bell housing bolts, you're gonna do that as well. Once you're done with that, you're gonna pop this little window open here on the bell housing and you're gonna pull off the bolts to the torque converter. There's gonna be 4 and they are 12. So I'd recommend having somebody over here hold it, or you can set it up if you take all this off and set it up where the wrench gets stuck behind one of these pulleys if you're doing it by yourself. Okay, once you get everything disconnected and everything off your torque converter set up, I would hook yourself up for a winch, cherry picker, however you're gonna pull your motor, and you should be free and clear to kind of come up and pull it out just nice and easy. And just like that, that's how you pull the motor out of a Forester. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.